a step-by-step guide to using Respondus in Blackboard. Respondus is a tool to create and transport assessments into the Blackboard Learning Management System. The objectives of this presentation include understanding the functions and possibilities of using Respondus and assistance in formatting documents for Respondus. Using a Microsoft Word document or TXT file, instructors that create an assessment that is primarily using multiple choice questions, the IRSC print shop will format that document for Respondus and send it back to the instructor. By then uploading a new document into Respondus, the instructor can add a multitude of questions that promote critical thinking with question types such as multiple correct answers, fill in the blank, and short essay questions. Before beginning, when opening Respondus, select File and click on Preferences. Edit and Publish to set the point value of most exam questions. Change the point value if most of your test questions have the same total value. This will automatically place the point value for each question you add to any file. Point values can be customized for each test or for every question if needed. The objectives here will include, from Respondus, to review the process of creating, importing, editing, saving, uploading, and reviewing a test in Blackboard. First, select the format of the document you wish to import. Select the plain text or type of file and choose the format of the document that you know you need to import. Select Browse to navigate to your file. Select your file that was previously saved and then click Open. Type a name for your new Respondus file with no spaces. Select Preview and review your new Respondus file. Be sure that all of the questions are present in the listing below. Notifications will be provided if there are problems with questions and individual formatting. Select Finish. Select the Edit tab. To add more questions, select the appropriate type and follow directions provided. Insert new questions, provide the point value, and select Preview. Select Add to the end of the list or Insert into the list at your discretion. Then, select the Settings tab on top next to Edit tab to proceed. The random blocks are a set of questions from which a random selection can be presented to students. An example, 10 questions are grouped by a topic in the original test of 40 questions. Setting block parameters may enable 5 random questions from numbers 11 to 20 to appear in a quiz or test of 35 additional items. Select Tab Availability. Complete all the settings. All settings should also be rechecked once the test is uploaded into Blackboard. You may select Use as New Defaults to keep settings for further assessments and adjust accordingly. Select the Preview tab and publish. Select Review the file to view each question one by one. Correct answers are indicated in the green below. These are not visible to students. First time on PC users, select Publish to Blackboard. You'll need to set the settings for the server. Select the drop-down menu of Add New Server. Select No, I want to enter server settings manually. Then select Next. On your computer, open an internet browser and navigate to http://blackboard.irsc.edu. The idea is to paste this address into the next step to set up your Respondus to find the IRSC Blackboard server. So number 4, copy this address, the irsc.edu Blackboard address, highlight the words in the address bar, right-click, and select Copy from the menu. In the next step, you'll be asked to enter your username and password into the space for server settings. Right-click to paste the blackboard.irsc.edu URL into the number 2 space. On number 3, select Extract. The system needs this information to gain access to upload your test or assessment into the correct course. Respondus will hunt for the Blackboard server, enter your username and password, and gain access to your courses based on the information provided. Next, you will be asked to select which course folder to place your assessment in which Blackboard course. Your server settings are set. You want to publish to a single course. Each PC you will use will require these server settings to be in place. Select Next. The final placement. Double-check in your course in Blackboard. Choose the course and folder to place the assessment into. Upload your assessment. Log into Blackboard through the internet browser, Chrome or Firefox, and check the exact settings for each assessment, including dates, availability to students, times, and especially the correct passwords for assessments.